Have you ever been super excited to buy something online? You add it to your cart, get ready to check out, and then you look at the final total and suddenly hesitate? Maybe the shipping fee or tax look too high. You spot the coupon box, but your favorite store doesn't have any code available. You feel a little disappointed, right? Then you close the tab and move on to another shop. According to a recent report by Inc., over 48% of customers abandon checkout due to reasons like high shipping costs, complicated checkout steps, or simply the lack of available coupons. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a coupon in WooCommerce, so every owner store can motivate their customers to complete their purchase, instead of hesitating at the final step. Okay, let's begin. As you can see on the screen, I'm already in the WooCommerce dashboard. To set up the coupon, I will navigate to the marketing section in the center left section. Now I click Add New Coupon at the top. At first, I will give it a name code so that customers can easily enter it. Let's see, I'll set the name as Black Friday 30 like this. You can enter the code either in lowercase or uppercase, both are accepted. Below the name is the description. Although it is optional, I'll still write a short description here to make it more detailed. I have already copied the description earlier to save some typing time, so I'll just paste it here for you to see. I have written as get 30% off all orders this Black Friday. Use code BLACKFRIDAY30 at checkout. Name and description are done. Now I will head to coupon data. In general, it will include 3 types of discount as percentage discount, fixed cart discount, and fixed product discount. Now, let's talk about the 3 discount types in WooCommerce. The first one is the percentage discount. This discount reduces the price by a certain percentage. For example, if product A costs $100 and we apply a 30% discount, the price goes down to $70. This type is great for sales like 30% off everything. Next, we have the fixed cart discount. This one takes a fixed amount off the entire cart total, not per product. For example, if the total order is $200 and we apply a $30 fixed cart discount, the total becomes $170.
Oh yeah.
So no matter how many items are in the cart, the discount is still $30 in total. And finally, the fixed product discount. This discount applies a fixed amount to each individual product. So let's say there are 2 products, A, and I want to buy 2 of them in that case. Each one still gets $30 off, so the total discount becomes $140 in total.
Nice.
Okay, I'll take a percentage discount first to show you how it works. Next, I will set coupon amount as 30%, which is similar to my code name. I will also tick Allow Free Shipping. If you check this box, this coupon will also give customers free shipping when the customers use it at checkout. Finally, at this part, I'll also set the coupon expiry date to limit how long this coupon stays valid. I'm going to set it to the end of October. After it's done, I down to second section, Usage Restriction. Here, you can set some limits for when and how your coupon can be used. For example, you can set a minimum spend or a maximum spend, meaning the customer's cart total has to be within this range for the coupon to apply. I will set minimum spend as $80 and maximum spend is $300. You can also tick individual use only, which means this coupon can't be combined with any other coupon. And below that, we have exclude sale items. If you check this box, the coupon won't work for products that are already on sale. Scrolling down, you can choose exactly which products or categories this coupon applies to. You can even set which customer emails you want the coupon to be applied to. Let's move to the usage limits section. This is where you can control how many times the coupon can be used. The first option, usage limit per coupon, lets you set the total number of times this coupon can be used across all customers. For example, if I set this to 500, that means only the first 500 orders can use this coupon. Below that, we have limit usage to X items. This controls how many individual items in the cart the coupon can apply to. And finally, usage limit per user. This restricts how many times each customer can use the coupon. For instance, if I set it to 1, each user can only use this coupon once. Once everything looks good, I click Publish on the right-hand side to make your coupon live. Okay, I will go back to the original mobile tab. I click the cart, then suffering down and hit Go to Checkout. I'll enter my code here, Black Friday 30. Yes, it's live now. It's absolutely wonderful when the coupon applies successfully. It really makes the shopping experience better for customers. After finishing the coupon for the percentage discount, I also created 2 more coupons, one for the fixed product discount and another for the fixed cart discount right here. Their corresponding codes are Black Friday 35 and Black Friday 20, so you can have a clearer overview of all 3 types of discounts. Let's go ahead and test the other 2 coupons as well. I will try entering the Black Friday 20 code first, as it's the fixed cart discount. Yes, the total amount has been reduced by the fixed $20 discount exactly. With the Black Friday 35 code, which is the fixed product discount, because there are 2 items, the total discount applied to each item will be $35, so the total amount is reduced by about $70. Okay, everything looks correct. And that's all for today. Everything is completed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.